Resistance Tube Bicep Curl. Grab the handles with an underhand grip. Stand on top of the tube through midfoot, with feet placed about hip width apart. You can increase the tension by increasing the amount of tubing between your feet. Pull the handles up by flexing your elbows. Stand tall with your eyes forward and shoulders rolled back and down, with your elbows by your sides, and maintaining a tight core throughout the movement. Be sure to keep your wrists flat. Do not curl your wrists. Also, prevent slouching your shoulders forward. Pull your shoulders back and down and maintain this position. If your resistance tube is too long to feel tension throughout the full range of motion, place your grip lower down onto the tube and grip with your palms facing towards each other. Remember to keep your wrists straight. Do not allow the band to pull your wrists down.